Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing great. Today I'll be showing you a dish that will give you instant energy that is full of proteins, and it's very easy to prepare, and it's prepared without oil, so it's very good for health. I'll be using fresh ginger, garlic, fresh turmeric, so it's very delicious as well and good, very good for health. Yang sini chicken kangshoi thong rege ko. Do hojikkan se protein diet yam darkar tai hojikkan gi pandemic sideko. Aduga asi chicken kangshoi do haksang ma phanangai loin ma yaure protein oina chicken yaure fresh ginger hap ko dawne aduga garlic turmeric fresh turmeric si sing loi ma ko haksang no phanangai ngak tine ko ko immune system strong oina ngai aduga ko haksang instant energy pi na ngai ko aduga summer gandi thau yau ga de chaning dip ko adu ngasi di si chicken kangshoi si thong se. So let's start preparing it. These are the ingredients I'll be using: with skin chicken 1 kg, a piece of turmeric, ginger, garlic, green chili, it's optional, onion, kefir lime. Kefir lime is also optional. If you want, you can use. Today I'm using broccoli. You can use beans as well, coriander leaves, and spring onion. Ingredients sing singak tene yamde. Chicken si with skin ne. Aduga si da inkondigi yanga apikum sama asini sing, sanam, morok, pias. Morok si habding dari hab tabi ay ko. Hai robo kara duga broccoli hat sarigi ngasi di broccoli na ter beans kum so happy ay ko mix ni so happy ay vegetable ko. Dhania aduga si tilaw matsa ko spring onion. Asisingak tane. So first crush the turmeric and the garlic. Hairbo hap si yam pak pani ko. Yam hao na manam do. That's it. Now in a cooking pot, chicken half kreko. In this put onion and chili. I put 1 small onion. Put the kefir lime, ginger, and the crushed garlic and turmeric. Salt. I put everything except the vegetable. I'll put the vegetable after 5 or 6 minutes of cooking. I'll put some of the coriander leaves. Coriander leaves krahap ko yam di habo. Some of the spring onion. So after putting everything, let's cook it. Mix it up. Now I'm frying the chicken without oil. Put a lid and cook it. Make sure to stir in between. Marak to bise ko. And I'll prepare yongzak iromba as well. Yongzak iromba siyam lagi ko. Asi khelega freezer dum thamga mathan de kangjabni ko. Freezer de nate freeze tane. Freezer de fresh thamba yai ko. Khelega fresh chaning ready freezer de fresh dum thambi. The love to point dum fresh oyamni. Asi de ne kanghan mani freeze ko. I've already washed the potatoes. Boil it together. After frying the chicken for 5 minutes, put the vegetable. 5-6 minutes thomom tung the vegetable half yare ko. I put little bit of chili powder just for color. Color phajana ngai khadi half ko. Mashan half how su yarab ni. After putting the vegetable, I'll fry it for a minute. Minute makak thong hi ko fry tawgi se vegetable half panina ko. You can use any vegetables you like. If you want broccoli, beans or peas or mixture of them you can use. After a minute I'll put water. Ising masinang chang mada hapirako. Put enough water. Cover the lid and cook it. And make sure to stir in between. Check the curry. Look at that. This is after 12-13 minutes of cooking. Wow, the broccoli is cooked, so it's done. Garnish it with spring onion and coriander leaf. Spring onion ga til padigom habraga yare. It's done. Switch off the flame. Mun labne na muthal se. Now it's time to enjoy. Howzerage. This is my chicken kangshoi. Iromba, yongsa iromba, fruit papaya and papper. Manamdi phajare. The aroma of this dish is very delicious, very nice. It's like I have fried the curry. Super. Wow, it's amazing. Mai tare pura. Yam hawe ko si chicken kangshoi si ko thau ngau ba chap mane ko mai flavor si ko. For us, iromba is a kind of basic dish for us. We usually prepare every day. Wow. Mayam si thong ra yengo. How bay jani loi rabne ko. Wow. Super delicious, my god. The broth is so flavorful. My mahi is yam hawne chicken is here. The broccoli has absorbed the flavor, some of the chicken flavor as well. So it's so delicious. Asi chicken mahi is vegetable so absorb tarabne yam hawe. Asi si ginger su yaure aduga garlic turmeric kumba yauba adui hakchang no si am phabne ko. Aduga thau yaudabne na koi di hakchang mak ti phare. Wow. Wow. She hen how na liter. Chicken soup se pura. How rab ni mai mehin hen how rab ni. ꯑꯁꯤ ꯆꯤꯀꯟ ꯀꯥꯡꯁꯣꯏ ꯊꯣꯡꯉꯗꯤ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄ ꯁꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯦ. ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯄꯤꯛꯄ ꯌꯣꯡꯆꯥꯛꯇꯣ ꯀꯪꯍꯟꯕꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ. ꯃꯅꯝꯁꯨ ꯃꯍꯥꯎꯁꯨ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯌꯣꯡꯆꯥꯛ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯀ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯇ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯀꯣ. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯥꯗ ꯀꯪꯍꯟꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯃꯍꯥꯎꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯋꯥꯠꯂꯦꯕꯀꯣ. ꯑꯩꯅ ꯂꯩꯔ ꯆꯥꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯎ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯠꯂꯦ. ꯌꯣꯡꯆꯥꯛꯁꯨ ꯅꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯀꯪꯍꯟꯕꯁꯤꯀꯣ. ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯩꯀꯣ, ꯃꯅꯝꯁꯨ ꯃꯍꯥꯎꯁꯨ. ꯌꯦꯟꯁꯥꯡ ꯍꯥꯎꯃꯟꯕꯩ ꯄꯥꯄꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯦ. ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯄꯄꯌꯥ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯇꯣꯛꯄ ꯀꯥꯟ ꯆꯥꯏꯀꯣ, ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯄꯨꯛ ꯁꯥꯏꯕ. ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯨꯝꯃꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ. ꯑꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯄꯄꯌꯥꯁꯦ ꯀꯦꯖꯤꯗ 40ꯅꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯥꯟꯁꯦ. ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯀꯥꯡꯁꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯩ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ. ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯊꯥꯎ ꯉꯧꯒ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯩꯀꯣ ꯇꯦꯁꯁꯤ. ꯊꯥꯎ ꯉꯧꯕ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯎꯋꯦꯀꯣ. ꯁꯨꯞ ꯊꯛꯄꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯥꯎꯋꯦ. ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ. ꯁꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯒꯤꯃꯛ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯩꯌꯦ. ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯝꯃꯔ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯊꯥꯎ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕ ꯆꯥꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦꯕꯀꯣ. ꯂꯥꯏꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ, ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯥꯎꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯎꯕ, ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯅꯤꯀꯣ. ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯀꯟꯗꯣ, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯌꯣꯛꯄ ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯜ ꯆꯤꯀꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯗꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯐꯒꯅꯤꯀꯣ, ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯎꯁꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯅꯤ. ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯒꯦ. So everyone, try out this simple dish. It's very healthy, very delicious. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. Take care.